Hi, in front of me is RUGGEAR RG655 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Start by opening settings. Now you need to click on connected devices and select pair new device. Then wait for available ones to show up and tap on the one that you want to connect to. Click pair and wait for it to accept your connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected, but if you wish to forget this connection, you can always click on the device, then choose forget, and tap on forget device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!